Hi guys, I'm Sunny. Welcome back to Sunny's Effing Delicious. Today we're making a chicken pakora. Really simple, really delicious. Let's get straight into it. So we've got one chicken breast here, which I'm just going to slice up. Right, I'd normally make this in much larger batches, but we're just going to go in with one chicken breast today. It's going to go in with like small little fillets, like medium-sized pieces. This makes a great snack, or you can serve it with some salad. It's more of an appetizer really, but I can have this as a main with some salad. Right, let's move our chicken over to our plate. Let's give this a quick marinade. Okay, so as it's only one chicken breast, we're going to go in with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of pepper. I'm not going to put any chili because the garam masala has got chili in there, and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. And we're going to go in with, I've mixed together some garlic paste and ginger paste. So one teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. And there's only one way to do this really, guys, and that's just to get your hands in. So just give it a good coating. You want to make sure that garlic and ginger is coating every piece. Okay, so this is how it should look after about a minute or two of massaging it in to your marinade. Now this, ideally guys, you want to leave this for 2 or 3 hours in the fridge overnight if possible for maximum flavour. However, I haven't got time for that, so I'm going to go ahead and just do this right now. It's still going to taste really good, but just for optimal flavour, you want to do it overnight. Okay, time for our dry ingredients. We're going to go in with a mixture of gram flour, which is chickpea flour, and plain flour. So we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of normal flour, plain flour. Right, let's marinate this flour. So we're going to go in with the same as before, a teaspoon of ginger paste and a teaspoon of garlic paste, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of coriander. Let's give that a nice mix. Once you've got all your ingredients mixed together, go ahead and add some water. So I'm starting with just like half a cup. Just going to whisk this up till it gets quite thick. You don't want any lumps in there, so you can whisk this if you want. I'm just going to do it with a spoon. On second thoughts, I decided to get a whisk. There's quite a few lumps in there. Okay guys, if you look at this batter, it's too runny. I added too much water, so I'm going to go ahead and add another tablespoon of gram flour and another tablespoon of plain flour. And straight away you can see it's getting to a much thicker consistency, which is what you need. Perfect. Right, heat on. And just going to place our oil on there. Right, our oil has come up to temperature, so we're going to go ahead and get our chicken, and we're just going to place our beautifully marinated chicken, just look at that, into our sticky batter. Make sure it's all well coated, and then we're just going to go straight in. Beautiful. This really is a beautiful dish, guys. You probably had it in restaurants and stuff before, but now you can make it at home because it's really simple. Just going to move them apart slightly so they don't stick. About 5 minutes cooking time, maybe 6, depending on the colour. Beautiful. Start getting these out now. Okay guys, so while these last few are just cooking up, I'm going to whip up a really quick mint sauce. Okay, I've got my pestle mortar here, and we've got some fresh mint from my garden. Just picked it right now, so she's going to go straight in, not too much. Salt, just to act as a bit of an abrasive. Let's give it a little grind. And go in with some olive oil or vegetable oil. A little bit of lemon. So fresh lemon just goes straight in. It's looking good. And we're going to go in with just a teaspoon of yogurt, touch of garam masala. Just going to leave it to one side for just a second. Wonderful, these are looking good. Let's place them in the pot to drain. Wonderful. Right guys, let's plate up. This is looking outstanding. The aroma is amazing. And I'm just going to go straight in. These are still quite hot. These are delicious. And guys, I like to just coat these with just a touch of our mint sauce, mint chutney. Right guys, there you have it. These are my epic chicken pakoras, restaurant style, made at home in about 15 minutes. Outstanding recipe. Guys, this isn't just delicious, this is Sonny's effing delicious. Make sure you try these. Beautiful.